Okay, now you can go.
All right. Adjusting hips. Hips are like shoulders, so there's socket joints, so they can move in all directions. And so we're looking for a spot where it catches and hurts like that.
Found it.
So I'm going to raise the table up.
I didn't even know that.
Didn't either.
Yes.
Lucky you, we get to do both hips. So there we go. And you bring it to tension. Oh, that was nice. Did you feel that slip in place? That
was a good one.
Now check this out.
Is that better?
Yeah. It doesn't hurt anymore.
See how it doesn't catch?
It's almost like he has an advanced degree in chiropractic.
It's insane.
So cool.
It's amazing. I'm thinking about doing this for a living.
That's awesome.
All right, same thing. We're gonna see where it catches.
It's tight. Ow.
This one doesn't even move right. We may have to replace this leg.
I got a pocket knife.
Same thing. Catch right there. Nope.
I was gonna say that one didn't quite look like right.
No, it didn't drop in place.
Yeah, her face didn't
Scooch
look right
down just a
either.
little bit. You do realize he said your face didn't look right.
In a
That's why
loving
she's
way.
not in the video, apparently. Her face, I mean.
That one was better.
Yes, it's way better.
It's still. Okay, so it's supposed to. There.
It just feels tight. I want to move it like that.
I'll slide you off.
Oh, this is a weird one. Ooh.
It's better.
You saw how I wasn't doing that before? It was like,
That's cool.
and that was actually her making that noise, not me. Okay, good.
All done.